Whoa, hey, so today we're going to be taking a look at this tabletop fire pit by Housewise. Now, they sent this to me to do this video, and I'm so excited that they did because I've always wanted a tabletop fire pit. It only takes 2 steps to set up, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to show you how to set it up, what it looks like, and I'll give you my honest opinion. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox this. And of course, it comes with an instruction booklet that you need to make sure and take a look at. All right, so we got everything laid out and ready to go. We got the actual fire pit itself and everything that is inside. This is what you use to kind of put the flame out. Which is very efficient. You got these little tools. Check this out. So you could just simply put some marshmallows on this thing, and then you're able to just go to town on it and do, s'mores or whatever it may be. Let's go ahead and set this up, and we'll take a look at how this works. So one of the first things you need to do is just go ahead and take this sticky coating off right here, and then what you're simply going to do is place it on the bottom of this, which is the ceramic plate that the fire pit will sit on. And as you can see, we're good to go. And then it just simply goes just like that. And then as far as the actual fire pit itself, it's going to consist of a few parts, which is going to be this little cup here. Then you've got this that you're simply going to put inside. And then you're going to simply put that inside of here. And then that is as easy as it is to set up. Now the next step is going to be to use your fuel. Now we highly suggest that you pick up this Housewise fuel. It's premium fireplace fuel. This is the perfect solution, the perfect fuel that you'll use for this sort of thing. So this is what I would highly suggest. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and fill it up with the fuel. Okay, so after you put your fuel inside, we'll put that off to the side. You're going to take a long stick lighter such as this, for safety reasons. What you're going to simply do is go ahead and light it, and then it is good to go. But ultimately, this is what we're looking at right here. What I love about this is we're able to use this as an indoor or outdoor, little fire pit that we're able to use. So what I would highly suggest is that you make sure that you read the instructions, go through the process. If you need to, scan the QR code, which has video instructions on the entire process, get you some good quality fuel, which is going to be this. And this Housewise, fire pit is absolutely phenomenal. And then if you need to put the fire out, you have this right here that you could simply just put on top. And we're going to go ahead and do that now. And then as you can see, it puts the fire right out. And don't forget that you got these little guys if you want to be able to do some marshmallows or whatever you'd like to do. So this thing is absolutely phenomenal. I love this, and I definitely highly recommend that you pick up this Housewise tabletop fire pit.